Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're delivering a bearish update on APT. The chart for Aptos looks absolutely dreadful right now, confirming a strong bearish setup. It's the same story we've been tracking. There is no meaningful buy pressure coming in, and the price is locked in a strong downtrend with no historical support to rely on nearby. The price is currently trading within a descending channel and has recently been rejected from the descending trend line. The overall sentiment is bearish, and the price looks ready to break to the downside once again. We expect another lead lower targeting our key support zones. The potential key support levels to watch are $1.51, $1.38, which aligns perfectly with the 0.706 Fibonacci retracement level on the higher timeframe chart. The chart looks terrible, consolidating under the key resistances. This setup suggests that patience is key for those looking for a reversal, and for now, the path of least resistance is lower. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at our trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.